Good morning, it's December 7th. Today we're leaving Breckenridge. We're trying to just pack up our stuff, put it in the car, and then go ski. Suresh, how do you feel on the last day of the ski trip?
Fantastic.
We're walking to Beaver Creek. Taking a break at the Overlook again and use the restroom. Having this ramen with the diced chicken. I should have chosen pork. Very strong basil flavor. It's really not that good. Taking a break on the mountain. We have a bit of sun today, clear skies, very beautiful. Just getting back from skiing. I'm going to change and then find a place to do some work. Waiting at this free ride bus stop. Just returned my board, going to a coffee shop now. Let me go find some food. There is this gyro shop. Can I do the lamb gyro? Got the gyro. I'm heading to the Marriott. I found you guys. We're leaving Breckenridge. Suresh is driving. We're headed for the airport.
Aided by government policies meant to lure multinational.
Oh. Getting gas before we return the car. It was so warm on the car. It's nice outside. Cool down. We're at the Denver airport. I was told that I came here too early. I can only check in bags within 4 hours, and I'm 4 hours and 10 minutes early. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good trip.
Denver airport is really nice and clean and fast. Thank you. Booked this shower at the Amex Lounge. I didn't get a shower after skiing today, so this is gonna be a cool experience. And that's it. I showered pretty fast. Frontier is so green. Thank you. I boarded the flight and we are still here after 5 minutes. I think getting stuck on the Frontier flight with no Wi-Fi and no power is probably the worst thing that can happen. Just got off the flight. I was editing videos and then listening to audiobook when my battery ran out.